Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to close Axis Bank account at any branch. This is not a promotional video. This video is for only information purpose only. Actually, in two ways you can close Axis Bank account. In the very first way is that through online. You can download your Axis Bank mobile application and you can close from that application. In the very second step, you should manually visit any branch. You can visit any branch, any Axis Bank branch to close your Axis Bank account. And in the next step, you must clear all dues, including loans, any negative balance, or any other payables you should pay to the bank. Then only you can close your Axis Bank account. And in this step, you should carry your passbook, checkbook, ATM card, valid ID card, address proof, photos along with you. The concerned officer will give you an account closing form. You must fill that form, or if you don't know how to fill it, the bank members will assist you to fill the account closing form. And then after filling the form, they will check all the details, and if everything is correct, they will take the form. Within few days your account will be closed. You can close your account in any branch or in online also. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching our video, friends.